Nissan Maxima, doing the rear brake pads. Come up here, I like to take the cover off my reservoir so I can wash my fluid. Get your car in the air. .21mm takes off your tire. Let's take it off now. Alright, so once you get your tire off, to remove your caliper, there's two 14mm. One here and one here. But we're only going to remove the bottom. I'm going to show you a trick. Let's just take out the bottom 14mm now. Alright, so 14mm, it's the pen type. I'm going to put some grease on this before you put it back in. Grab your caliper, just pull it towards you. This is compressing your piston enough that you're able to lift the caliper up like that and remove your old brake pads. So old brake pad removed. To finish compressing my piston, use a C-clamp, just like that. And you can brace the bottom off the caliper bracket and push your piston in. Alright, caliper has been compressed all the way. Here's your new brake pads. This one with the wear strip, which tells you when you need to change your brakes. It's going to be your inside pad. So we're just going to install our pads now. Might need 2 hands for this. Basically, you just slide in the clip. I'll show you when I put them in. Alright, so they just go back in, just like that. Slide them in the clip. Line this up. Make sure that boot is sitting properly. After you apply the grease, just go ahead and push it back in, line it up. Start tightening it by hand, and then you can use your ratchet. Alright, both your 14mm. Just make sure the top one's tight, even though we didn't take it out, but the bottom one is also. Caliper's back on. Put your wheel back on. Do the same step on the other side. Pump your brake pedal before you move off. Nissan Maxima rear brake pad replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.